Hi, what's up guys? It's the Smart Home Helper, and today I'm going to be showing you how to factory reset the Smonet Lock. Still don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but I'm going to go ahead and walk you through it today. So factory reset is going to take it back to its original settings. So if you got this used or you got this differently, or you just want to start over from scratch, this is how you factory reset. So there's a back plate that's going to be on here. You just push up, you take it off. I made it easy. I went ahead and removed it already. But you'll see two buttons on here. You'll see a home kit button, and then you'll see a set button. You want to use something small. I tried to use my nails earlier, didn't work. So what you're going to do is you're going to press it once to wake it up.
Ready to pair with app.
And it should be talking to you every time. And then we'll go ahead and hold it for 3 seconds, and you'll hear the pop when you're pushing it down. That's really key, is you want to hear that pop. So we got it like that. Whoops, see?
Ready to pair with app.
I moved it off. You'll hear exactly what it says when we do it right. I'm glad I messed it up.
Button to restore factory
It
settings.
says hold it. We'll keep holding, and we'll hear a ding, letting us know that it factory reset. All right, we'll go ahead and remove. It's going to rehand itself right now, just making sure that it's going in the right direction. And then once it finishes that, finishes all its dings, everything, it's went ahead and it factory reset. But it'll talk you through the factory reset. You want to make sure that you hear that press or that push down. And you're holding it for about 6 seconds for it to factory reset. But when you hear that ding, you know it's good. You'll go ahead and remove it, and it's been factory reset. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.